Hi lovelies, indeed it has been a long time here. My phone was actually malfunctioning and I've been battling with it. Thank God I'm back here. And in this video, I want to teach us how to make your soybean powder. Stay back and watch if this is a video you would like to watch.
Before we start, I would like to share the benefits of this soybean powder for both babies, adults, and pregnant women. So let's begin. Soybean powder is beneficial for babies as a good source of protein to them, iron, calcium, essential vitamins like mineral, like folate. It supports growth system. It supports their development, help prevent iron deficiency in children, and can aid digestion. It serves as constipation relief. It also contains essential fatty acids like omega-3, omega-6 fatty acids, which are very good for babies' development. It aids in bone health. It helps them build their bone to be strong. It contributes to their blood health, which is production of red blood cells. It helps in cellular growth, which is preventing certain congenital disabilities in children. And its overall nutrition is that it provides mineral for immunity, brain function, and overall development in children. Then for adults, it provides adults with complete plant-based protein needed for their body. It helps adults in improving heart health by reducing cholesterol, aiding in bone health through minerals like calcium, magnesium, and supporting hormonal balance with phytoestrogens, which can elevate menopause symptoms. Soybean is very rich in fiber, so it supports adults with their digestive health. It can aid in weight management for them as well. It's a source of essential minerals such as calcium, magnesium, copper, iron, and zinc, which are very vital for bone, heart, and metabolic health. Soybeans contain one of the essential nutrients for the formation of red blood cells, which deliver oxygen and nutrients to the body organs by improving circulations and preventing anemias from your body. And last but not the least, soybeans is packed with protective antioxidants that help protect the body from cellular damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including certain cancer cells in the body. And lastly, the benefits of soybean powder for pregnant women is that it provides them with essential nutrients like folate for preventing neural tube defects, iron to combat anemia, and protein for fetal and maternal tissue development. It contains omega-3 fatty acids that will help your baby for brain and eye development. And it's also a good source of calcium, minerals, vitamins that are very crucial for a healthy pregnancy. Soybean is a plant-based source of protein and therefore is a good alternative for those with lactose intolerance. It also helps in increasing nutritional needs, all your nutritional needs during your pregnancy. In as much as it helps in all this, taking soybeans in moderation is key, especially for pregnant women.
With this, you can see that soybeans has so many benefits. So my lovelies, if you have watched to this point and you've not subscribed, please kindly subscribe, share, and turn on the bell notification button so that it will notify you whenever I post a new video. Thank you for being here. So far, hope you understood and you followed the steps I've shared with you on this process of making the soybean. So you can see that I started by selecting the soybeans to eliminate all the stones, dirt that it comes with. After which I washed it, I poured it into my hot boiling water and cooked for about 45 minutes, after which I washed it just the same way you can wash your beans for moi moi. After washing it, you can see how I spread it on my oven tray. I actually oven dried it, so you can decide to use natural sun to dry your own, but it was actually during rainy season, so I had to oven dry it. After I had placed it in the oven to get dry, I went ahead to soak my date for some minutes. I break it, remove the seeds, washed it, and oven dried it as well. I went ahead to toast my soya beans. You can pan toast your soya beans in order to get your desired color that you want. If you want your soya beans to be golden brown, you can decide to toast it more than usual. So but I just toasted it just a little. I went ahead to fry my groundnuts. I bought a fresh plantain. I couldn't see the dry ones that they used to sell in market, so I dried some myself. After drying the plantain, I went ahead to toast some crayfish, and lastly I also toasted the cashew nuts I bought. And that's all the ingredients I want to use for this soya beans, and they were all ready.
You can see my soya bean. I've toasted it. I don't want it to be too brown. I love this color. You can see my granules. I have some in the house, so I got 1 cup again from the market. Then here comes my crayfish. This crayfish is how they used to tie it, like to 200. I got 1000 naira own. Here is my plantain. This is 2 plantain. So here is my cashew nuts. You can see the cashew nuts. It's the one of 500. How they used to tie it. That's what I got. And here is my dabino. That is the measurement of all the things I'm using, as you can see. So it's all ready. You can add almond nuts or any other kind of nuts that you wish to use. Almond nuts is very expensive right now, so I couldn't get it. So as you can see, I have my soya beans already inside this basin. This is what I'll be grinding it with. So I'm adding everything. Hello my lovely people. Hi, happy Wednesday. Hope you guys are fine. Hope you're good. I'm done frying everything that is needed for these soya beans, so I'll be going to the market to go and use the commercial grinder to grind it into powder. So I'll show you guys when I'm back. Okay, subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you to my returning subscribers. To my subscribers, I love you all. I love you all. I love you all.
So here you can see what the local meal looks like. It's now my own turn to grind, and they're already grinding mine for me. You can see it inside the grinder. They will continue to grind it until it's very smooth. They grinded it for 3 good times. You can see other grinders around here. This is where they normally stay. Now you can see me. I finished grinding and I'm heading home to see and package it for my clients. This is how I package it for sale. I sell mine. I package in different sizes and quantity depending on how and what my clients requested for. You can do this as a business if you wish to, and don't forget to use my recipe and let me know how yours turned out on the comment section. And lastly, don't forget to subscribe, share, and turn on your bell notification to know whenever I post a new video. Bye for now, and see you in my next video.